Revolutionizing space exploration with SpaceX's second launch tower. As the sun rises, a new titan looms on the horizon, SpaceX's second launch tower. A game changer, forever altering space travel. This isn't just another tower, it's the embodiment of ambition. It stands as a testament to human achievement in technology. Designed for the Starship, the tower will enable quick, efficient launches. A step towards realizing SpaceX's vision of rapid, reusable spacecraft. It will transform how we explore the cosmos. From moon missions to Martian colonies, the tower's potential is boundless. The second tower is also a beacon of sustainability. It demonstrates SpaceX's commitment to responsible, environmentally conscious space exploration. This tower isn't just about reaching for the stars. It's about creating a future where space travel is accessible to all. As they say, the sky's the limit. But with SpaceX's second launch tower, even the sky isn't the limit anymore.